Hi everyone, welcome back to my videos. Today I will show you how to fix Netflix black screen issue on Windows 11. I will show you the solution even if you use Netflix on browser or Netflix on Microsoft Store. Here on the browser, to fix that problem, you can click the icon here, view website information, and you need to find the option called cookies and data. The way to find this option is different based on the browser you use. Microsoft Edge or Chrome or Opera browser, so rely on that. But it's very easy to find this option. You can see the Netflix have 3 cookies, and you can see the cookie right now. You click the cookies, you see a cookie icon here. You drop down to the profile new section here, and you just need to remove this cookie. And then you restart your browser and re-log in to your Netflix account. After that, you should watch Netflix normally without any issue. If you don't watch Netflix through browser, you watch Netflix from the app in Microsoft Store. You need to go to settings, you choose the install apps. In the search bar, you will search for Netflix. When you have the Netflix app, you click the 3-dot icon right here and you click advanced option. You will see the result option and you can try out both of 2 options. The first option is repair. If it's not work for you, you can try to reset. All the app data will be deleted. Or if you still have that problem, you can uninstall the app right here and you install it again from Microsoft Store. Okay, that's all of my videos. If you found any better solution, please drop a comment below. I hope you will give me a like and a subscribe on my channel, and I will see you in my next videos.